Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch my iPhone on my Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and display what's on your iPhone screen on your Samsung Smart TV? Now first things first, you want to make sure that you go into the settings tab and keep note of what Wi-Fi network that your iPhone is in, and also make sure that on your Samsung Smart TV, if you click on the home icon here and then navigate to where it says settings and then navigate to where it says general and then click on network, you want to make sure that your network status is the same exact Wi-Fi that's being used on your iPhone. Okay, so that is step one. After you confirm that your Samsung Smart TV and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network, you want to scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay settings, and then you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on your Samsung Smart TV. So from here, the next step that you need to do is that you need to go ahead onto your iPhone and then open it up and then scroll down from the top right so that you pull your control center. Then you're going to click on screen mirroring and then find your Samsung Smart TV. So it's this button right over here. And so once we do that, the first time that you connect to your Samsung Smart TV, it's going to provide you with a code. So type in that code and then click on OK. So as you can see, now my iPhone is now displaying on my Samsung Smart TV. And if I actually go ahead and change the orientation, so if I change the orientation, let's just go to a random web browser. If I turn it horizontal, it's now going to be full screen on my iPhone. So as you can see, it's the same exact mirror being shown on my iPhone and my Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and watch my iPhone on my Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.